Hello, and welcome to the Interactive Presentation Tool tutorial. My name is Jide.
And I'm Ian.
And we'll be your guides as we walk you through Heinle's Interactive Presentation Tool software.
This training video introduces you to the ins and outs of these great tools and what they can do for your classroom. So, let's get started.
Also, for your reference, the teacher's guide, which complements this tutorial, can be found at elt.heinle.com or on the Interactive Presentation Tools CD-ROM.
In this section, we'll look at the benefits of using Heinle's Interactive Presentation Tool CD-ROMs, available with many of our programs.
Before we start, let's go over the necessary steps to set up your whiteboard with Heinle's Interactive Presentation Tool software. The first step is to download the whiteboard software needed for your interactive whiteboard. Keep in mind, our interactive presentation software works with any whiteboard and can also be used with just a computer and projector. Once you do that, we'll need to calibrate the board. Your whiteboard software will have a settings function that prompts you to calibrate the board in order for the pen to function. Once that happens, you're all set to use any of our interactive presentation tool softwares.
All of our interactive presentation tools are delivered on CD-ROM and allow teachers to work with Heinle materials in the classroom. All of our tools contain interactive versions of the student book and workbook, full audio and video programs, and answer keys. Some of our tools also contain a content creation tool, allowing teachers to customize and create their own content for the classroom. Most importantly, our software keeps students engaged, motivated, and active within the classroom, and they're also great fun to use.
In this section, we'll look at the opening screen and the application and whiteboard toolbars, which are available for all of our softwares.
These toolbars allow you to navigate easily, do all the exercises, use the audio and video clips, and even customize and create your own content.
The opening screen on all of our interactive presentation tool softwares are organized by units, sections, and/or topics. Here you'll see this particular program is organized by unit and topic, whereas this program is organized sequentially by unit. The application toolbar helps you navigate through units and exercises, show answers, view video and audio, and much more.
Let's look at an exercise. To navigate from page to page, use the back and next features. We're going to do a matching exercise using audio. Next, the teacher and the class can match each sentence to the location heard in the audio. You'll notice that in this exercise, when you get a question wrong, you'll hear this sound. You get the chance to answer this question again. For both the audio and video content, you can play.
Hi, Sue. Where are you?
Pause and show the script for listening or reading comprehension. Learners can follow in their student books and then work with a partner to answer the questions. The teacher can use the Check All feature to review answers with the whole class. Be sure to click the mouse feature to navigate back to the application toolbar once you've finished working with the whiteboard toolbar. Finally, press the Home feature to return to the main menu and choose another activity. There are also whiteboard tools built into our software, which are used to tailor, edit, and customize according to your specific classroom needs.
The pen and highlighter features allow teachers and learners to write and highlight exercises. The thickness and color can be easily changed. To correct answers or clear handwritten text, use the eraser. The undo, redo features allow you to remove any action performed in the exercise, whether it's writing an answer or highlighting text. The redo feature allows you to replicate the action you just performed in case you erased it or want to refer to it before moving on to the next task. To show the answer to individual questions, click the pencil feature next to the relevant question. Let's customize this exercise using the Hide Show feature. Use this to select the area you want to hide. This is a great tool to use to present selectively or to check what vocabulary, grammar, and other language students have learned. To clear, click the Clear Annotations feature. Need to zoom into one part of the page? Use the zoom feature to focus on a specific part of the page or to make it easier for learners to see what's on the board. This looks like a great section to print out. And if you want to keep a record of work you've done or capture students' answers, printing the screen allows you to do this. Click the Print feature to print this actual screen. In this section, we'll look at some of the activity types common to Heinle's interactive presentation tool softwares. These include multiple choice, matching, listen and watch, drag and drop, reading comprehension, review activities, and many more. Let's do some activities. After that, we'll learn how to customize and to create your own activities.
Most of our programs come with video clips. In this example, you're going to see a video about New York City. You can watch the video or listen to the audio. Let's look at it together. You'll notice that the subtitles are shown for students, but can also be hidden by clicking the Subtitles feature. You can use the highlighter tool to emphasize key points in the reading. Ask your classroom what kinds of food they eat. Make notes of new vocabulary in the margin and print this screen out for your students or to keep a record of new vocabulary from that class so you can review it in the next class. You can also customize the page by adding a note to remind yourself to ask your students to write their answers on the board. Then, save these notes for the next class. In some cases, you might not want your students to be able to read all the text. In this exercise, let's hide the captions so learners can practice with one another. Then the teacher can uncover the hidden text and review the language with the whole class.
Just in case you want to watch the video or use the audio recordings, you just need to click the Resources Audio Video button on the home screen.
Okay, let's go to a country that has everything.
Unit 1. What do you like to do? Language Focus, Part C.
In this section of the tutorial, you'll learn how to use the Content Creation tool, which allows you to make exercises that meet the specific needs of your class and your students.
Using our Content Creation tool, found at the bottom corner of the whiteboard toolbar, you can create your own exercises and use them with your class. In just a few easy steps, you can create your own activities, save them, reuse them again and again, and share them with your colleagues. Import video, audio, images, links, and other documents. Your customized content is automatically embedded within the activity pages on the Heinle software you are using. Using our content creation tool, found at the bottom corner of the whiteboard toolbar, let's create an exercise together. We'll create a simple multiple choice activity. First, we select the task type. Enter as many questions as you like, along with the answers. This question uses an image that students need to see to answer the question. Let's add that. If you want to, you can also attach a hyperlink, audio, video, or any other document. Then you can save a copy, preview the activity by selecting Run, and make any further changes that you want. Once you're happy, leave the custom creation tool and return to the exercises. Be sure to save your work.
Let's quickly review what we've done in this training video. We've shown how the application and whiteboard toolbars are used to navigate, use, and customize the various activities. We've shown how customizing the content to suit your classroom is quick and easy and makes the classroom more appropriate for your students. And don't forget, you don't have to have an interactive whiteboard to use Heinle's fantastic interactive presentation tools. As long as you have a computer and a projector in your classroom, you can take full advantage of our CD-ROMs. And don't forget, the teacher's guide on how to use the interactive presentation tools is available on your CD-ROM or at elt.heinle.com.
Thank you for watching this tutorial on Heinle's interactive presentation tool. We hope your classroom becomes more lively, engaging, and fun.